Well, it's wash day here, and we're doing a load in May. Our trusty 56-year-old Maytag Wringer washer. So I thought I'd give you a look-see. She's agitating away. When you're ready to stop and wring out the load, you push this, stops the agitation, and then you go down here, and instead of having to unhook the hose off this, my husband has put in a valve. I just turn the valve, and the water drains outside. And then I'll just wring the load. Turn her on. Let's see if I can find something small I can put through here. Oh, how about some money? We're laundering money. Let's see if I can back this up. There we go. I really need two hands to do this, so these big items, I can't really show you much. Well, that's me. You see the water's all draining out now. I'll go ahead and get these wrung, and then I'll refill it and rinse, hang them on the line.